Get ready for a spine-tingling experience as we unveil 7 of the most disturbing videos caught on doorbell cameras. Join us as we delve into these 7 spine-tingling videos. A man was caught attempting to enter a house, but thanks to vigilant neighbors, his break-in was foiled. The video displays footage from the doorbell camera, where the man was seen planning to break into the house with his pregnant girlfriend. The homeowner noticed the suspicious activity on their security camera and asked a neighbor to investigate. When confronted, the intruders explained that they knew the residents. Surprisingly, the intruders seemed unaware they were being recorded and eventually left the scene not to return. In another incident captured by a doorbell camera, a man repeatedly harassed his neighbor. The resident endured daily disturbances, including the man interrogating her about unknown people. In this situation, you can see the man trying to kick in the door at 4 a.m. and trying to pound his way in. This prompted the resident to call 911. Fortunately for her, the police responded and arrested the perpetrator. San Diego, California, a woman was caught on a doorbell camera acting strangely and causing a disturbance. She boldly knocked on the door, entered the property, and took a package that didn't belong to her. Without hesitating, she tears open the package and rips off a sign near the top of the door. It's several minutes later when the woman finally opens the package and eventually leaves the premises. Late at night in Detroit, Michigan, a woman is seen outside a home, seemingly in need of assistance or perhaps trying to manipulate the resident. She engages in conversation with the homeowner while keeping the door shut. After the homeowner asks a second time, the woman identifies herself as the teacher's daughter and claims she needs to use the restroom. However, the previous night she was seen attempting to open the door and gain access to the home. Eventually, she gave up and left with her male counterpart. A doorbell camera captured this crazy woman trying to enter an apartment while people were present. She attempted to disable the camera by smashing it with a stick or an iron rod. She continues to struggle with the camera. The resident confronted the intruder, pleading with her to stop, but this just made her more aggressive. Eventually, she was able to disable the camera, ripping it from the apartment door. In Oklahoma City, a doorbell camera captured a suspicious-looking man attempting to enter a residence. He continued to try multiple doors. A vigilant dog inside the home was barking fiercely as he sensed danger from the would-be intruder. After another failed attempt at the back entrance, the intruder shifts back to the front door and is finally able to enter successfully after kicking his way in. Once inside the home, the individual gathers up some valuables until he hears someone approaching. With one more quick peek, he decides it's time to flee. Unfortunately for the homeowner, this perpetrator got away. Please subscribe. Please. In a late night incident, 3 men wearing matching sweatshirts were caught on a doorbell camera. They were attempting to steal a flag from the residence. They continued to work and eventually were able to steal the flag. Thankfully, no one was harmed.